This is Cyndy G. In this video, we're going to assemble the Travel Germany box card. The first thing you should do is identify all of your pieces. As I've done here, I've just laid them all out to where they go. And then you're going to identify the two pieces that make up your box. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to connect these together. So you just want to line this up right to the score line. I'm using my table to make sure that it's level. Made a little bit of a mess here with my glue. I don't think it's any place it's gonna show. So we can flip it over and start here with the front. I haven't made some new travel box cards in a while, so it's nice to get some new ones out. With these included, there are 27 different destinations to choose from. Now the castle has quite a few pieces to it, but it's not complicated. Again, I would just line them up first so that you know where you're going to put them. Now the pretzel goes behind. We're just going to glue it behind here, but I'm going to wait to put that in until I have the card put together so that I can see where I want it to be. And I've just folded my leaves there to give it a little bit of dimension. I'm going to do the same with the leaf. I'm just running my nails across the petals there. Okay. It's right in there. Okay. And then I've already put together my two pieces here for my film. I think I'm going to put it up and down. This is for writing a small sentiment on. Okay. And then we're going to flip it over and we can start working on the castle. So I'm going to start with the taller pieces, that would be further back, and work my way up to the short pieces, because some of them do overlap. These pieces are lining up to the bottom. Okay. You should pretty easily be able to tell where each piece goes. Okay, and then we're going to put this piece here together. Just line it up. Right like that. You just want a little bit of a roof, and then the peak roofs on those. And this is going to go right here. If you want, you can pop that up with some foam tape. And I think I will pull this in here. Let's see. So this is the foam tape that I get from Dollar Tree. And then this, let's go ahead and get this glued together. We're going to line this up to the bottom and to the sides. This. So there's nothing really complicated about putting this together. There's just several pieces because you want a detailed castle. Didn't line that one up very well. There we go. And then this is going to go right here. And I'm going to use foam tape on this one as well. But I'm going to put it here on this piece. There we go. And now we're just going to glue this right on. Make sure that you have flipped your card over so that you're gluing this to the inside, or you won't see it. So this is the front. Make sure that you've got this gluing down on the inside. Okay, and now we can set this aside and work on our inserts. So the inserts are pretty straightforward. Okay. And then be sure to fold your tabs. And again, I didn't get this lined up very good. I'm going to redo this one. Might have it upside down. Okay. Now I'm going to bring in my beer. Now I had done my inking, but I did not ink my foam here, so I think I want to use brown. So this is just a really old ink pad so that I can use it directly on. When I have newer ink pads, I do use a foam applicator. And then wrong side. So I think the second one I'm going to pop up with some foam tape. Try to get a little bit of dimension here with this. There we are. Fold the tabs. Pretzel needs a little bit more inking. Okay. Now we're going to stand our card up. And the beer goes to the back. So we're going to put ink here on the tab. We're going to lay this down and put it into this corner right here. We're gluing it down. We're going to stand it up. Now I've got foam tape there on the back, so it's not laying down quite like it would without it. So you do have to be mindful if you've used some foam tape that you're going to have to work this in a little bit more. We're just laying this layer right in front of the next. There we are. Now here's the side we're going to glue to right here. And you can see these two tabs. We're just going to put glue on them. And we're just going to bring this right over and glue those tabs. Then fold it back and forth, because we want it to be able to fold both ways. And now we're going to, darn. Okay, I have one that has popped off, but I should be able to grab it when I do this. Put a little more glue here. There. Fold that down, get that in there, okay? There we go. Okay, now the pretzel I want to glue like right here. So I'm just going to put some glue right around here. I want it to be about like that. There we are. And there is the Travel Germany box card. Thank you for joining me.